Welcome back to our channel. I'm their arty mum Danielle, and here we create and share art-inspired ideas and activities to do with toddlers and preschoolers. When you have little ones that love to paint, you often end up with an enormous pile of artwork that you don't know what to do with. One practical use is to reuse those masterpieces as wrapping paper. So that's what we'll be doing for today's activity. Let's get started. For today's activity, we need paper, a palette, empty toilet rolls, bubble solution, and paint. First, you want to add your paint to your palette, and today we're doing a monochromatic paint, so we're just sticking with purple. Next, instead of water, you're going to use the bubble solution to water down your paint to a nice watercolour consistency. Time to add the toilet rolls and head outside. In this activity, the toilet rolls are acting as our stamps to create a repetitive circle pattern for our wrapping paper. They are an inexpensive tool and great for teaching kids about recycling. Stamps are great for promoting fine motor skills and hand-eye coordination, as well as teaching the concept of cause and effect. The use of the bubble mixture not only creates a beautiful effect on the paper, but it also makes for a fun sensory activity too. Once the paper had dried, all we had to do was cut out our paper and wrap our present. Top it off with a little ribbon and you've got yourself a creative, one-of-a-kind gift. If you enjoyed this video and would like to see more, we'd love for you to like and hit that subscribe button below. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in our next video. Bye for now.